righteous man regardeth the life of his beast, but the tender mercies of the wicked are cruel. Thou shalt not muzzle the ox that treadeth out the corn. Thy righteousness is like the great mountain, thy judgments are a great deep. O Lord, thou preservest man and beast. Ask now the beasts, and they shall teach thee, and the fowls of the air, and they shall tell thee, or speak to the earth, and it shall teach thee, and the fishes of the sea shall declare unto thee. For every beast of the forest is mine, and the cattle upon 1,000 hills. I know all the fowls of the mountain, and the wild beasts of the field are mine. All go unto one place, all are of the dust, and all turn to dust again. For that which befalleth the sons of men befalleth beasts, even one thing befalleth them. As the one died, so died the other. Yeah, they have all one breath, so that a man have no preeminence above a beast, for all is vanity. All we like sheep have gone astray, we have turned everyone to his own way. Beware of false prophets which come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly they are ravening wolves. Ye serpents, ye generation of vipers, how can ye escape the damnation of hell? Give not that which is holy unto the dogs, neither cast ye your pearls before swine. For that which befalleth the sons of men befalleth beasts. Yeah, they have all one breath. The ox knoweth his owner, and the ass his master's crib. But Israel doth not know, my people doth not consider. He goeth after her straightway, as an ox goeth to the slaughter. My people doth not consider. Have you heard the great shepherd speak concerning his own? If you are of the fold and not a goat, you will hear his words that forever stand. Feed my sheep, this is his command. Did you not hear of the vision God gave unto Peter about you and about me, that the truth might be made clear? Wherein were all manner of four-footed beasts of the earth, and wild beasts, and creeping things, and fowls of the air. And a voice said, What God hath cleansed, that call not thou common. Then hath God also for the Gentiles granted repentance unto life. Of the forest is mine, and the cattle upon 1,000 hills. I know all the fowls of the mountains and the wild beasts of the field are mine. All go unto one place, all are of the dust, and all turn to dust again. For that which befalleth the sons of men befalleth beasts, even one thing befalleth them. As the one died, so dieth the other. Yeah, they have all one breath, so that a man hath no preeminence above a beast. For all is vanity. Yes, now the beasts, and they shall teach thee, the fowls of the air. They shall tell thee, in his hand is the soul of every living thing, and the breath of all mankind.